Let's begin with a look outside here. We're back into the summertime pattern today. 90 degrees after a couple of enjoyable days. This morning was real nice again, too. 58 was the low at Camp Mabry. 46, though, out at the airport this morning. I told you some places would dip into the 40s at least briefly again early today. But our air mass is in the process of changing, so that's why it's very summer-like again out there right now. More on our local weather in just a minute. I wanted to share this breaking weather news with you this afternoon. The first tornado to be rated F5 is this one. It's the one that hit Smithville, Mississippi, day before yesterday, about 3 in the afternoon, killing 14 people, injured 40. Dozens of newly constructed two-story full brick homes were leveled. A fire hydrant was even pulled out of the ground. Trees debarked. Estimated winds 205 miles per hour. We suspect there will be more tornadoes rated F5, including possibly that Tuscaloosa tornado. It's going to be at least an F4. There is no doubt about that, but there have been some tornado experts in Tuscaloosa who said they have seen F5 damage, so we will see. And in terms of the other tornadoes, we've already had, I think I've counted at least a half dozen so far in Mississippi and in Tennessee that have been rated EF4. That's the next to strongest tornado category, and that is very rare. Those violent tornadoes are extremely rare, especially that F5 rating. All right, one reminder again, red flag warning until 8 p.m. Outdoor burning is illegal, number one, but the things that can start a fire accidentally, discarded cigarettes out the window, those sorts of things, we all have to keep in mind because a wildfire right now that gets loose can be extremely destructive, as we learned a few weeks ago in Oak Hill. 89 right now. At 8 o'clock, twilight, we're looking good, clear, and 84 at 79, a few low clouds. At 10 o'clock, 79, and a few low clouds coming back in. Around the area, 91 out in Atlanta, 87 in Bastrop, Georgetown, you're at 88, 88 down in San Marcos. In the city, it's clear and 89, 88 at ABIA. Humidity still pretty low right now, but our winds have gone south-southeast, and they're strong, 20, 24 miles per hour, so Gulf moisture surging back in. We'll have low clouds by morning. Mold high, pecan medium, willow and grass low in the pollen count today. Look at the 90s back there in West Texas. It's getting hot again. Sky's clear right now, but we're tracking a storm system now over the Rockies that's going to break into two pieces. This one's going to send a cold front in. This one could bring us some much-needed rainfall. Not tomorrow, but on Sunday, that front's going to move right down here into central Texas, and we think some rain and maybe some thunderstorms could flare up Sunday afternoon. And it may continue to rain on Monday. The National Weather Service projecting that we could see a ½ inch to 1.5 inches in central Texas in that rain that occurs Sunday, Monday. Wouldn't that be nice? Okay, in the morning, it's going to be pretty warm again, and then tomorrow afternoon, hot again. That chance of rain on Sunday. Low clouds coming in tonight. In the morning, we start overcast and 69. We end up at 90 and partly cloudy. And on the 7-day forecast, here's that chance of rain. These are the best probabilities we've seen all of April. Of course, Sunday's May now, a 40% Sunday, 50% chance of rain on Monday, slight chance on Tuesday, and look at those temperatures. Highs in the 70s for 3 days.